Tane Dana we see be Twejatu. Or $3 million ni wie no. And okotira TVs no warning or threatening constituents. So ono or to me obe kunipa pinsi akoy nam the streets of Ghana. And the life to say kotre. What ya so okotira radio so kan. Or say or to me omo power. The omo pen omo ye omo botuo obituary ye de obetare dan ho. Mfa mba fo. And otiakra na okekan kwase asem at a point mo party here mama chewa de party mo to aba aka a day to elections hwade mama chewa de sa abo abono some NPP for hey one NPP for you have to charge on your party. We are helping you people or somewhere say mo chewa mo buo mo nyina ko mo abo abono so sanka mo buo mo ko mo the day they are voting a day to elections hwade wako constituency nipa constituency sa nipa no constituency no oye deputy director of communications omo pese omo te party no eye the party pese oye mo any policies it's a whole deputy director of communications echo a whole constituency. Do you know what he went to do? I mean sure this is what he went to do okotena radio so na dey no catch a constituency no obi aye beto abo after taking $3 million no osako constituency he went there to warn them. Okay, untie no.
Me a dangerous human being. Me can't tell ba. Ghana, Oka Mabuma, NDC Fosro, I'm one of them because I'm dangerous. I'm saying it here. I know what I'm talking about. What do you say? Men are nana che mensa. Our mo, Abuase minimum, the track record. Me nya obia. Me obi betime hu na me pushing over. Uye babu me say wa babu wo tumi no power. And I'm telling you, uye babu na obi ahye okutupa. Say kodi independent echi. Me dey be kanma kan biom. Because we are kitwa me bebre. We are kitwa me bebre. And this is a warning I'm giving to anybody. Ura, you be prepared to sign your obituary. Be prepared to sign your obituary. I saw the obituary. You're gone too soon. Yeah, they are born. Family members. Misawa Ben, you to me, no power. And I'm telling you. Yeah, they are born. Family members. Misawa Ben, you to me, no power. And I'm telling you. We are babu na obia shokutupa. Say, kodi independent echi. Be prepared. I'm very dangerous. What do you say? It's the last time I'm talking because real gangsters don't talk. They don't talk. Oh, they don't. They don't rattle. They don't use radio to talk. Call the idea. Eti the air can say. Asuma make. One tasin service panic na and I'm very because you're tasin na benya.
Tane Dana we see be Twejatu. Or $3 million ni wie no and okotira TVs no warning or threatening constituents so ono or to me obe kunipa pinsi akoy nam the streets of Ghana and the life to say eye kotre nipa bi kire nipa bi o Ghana say omo to me what ya so okotira radio so kan o say o to me omo power the omo pen omo ye omo botuo obituary ye de obetare dan ho me say sa obituary no onu mom de bedin card na tare down Owusu Bempah. And people like you, we are not done with you people. You will make sure that Ghana enya would there. Sa e dina we wiase case ni ye betwaja to mu. Ne ahwe utumi no de obetum di aye. Tie. Sa e dina we si no Owusu Bempah. Wako constituency echo threaten mbabunu ene mbabaawa omo pese abani ka bibi kire omo na omo hwe so de to aba no o threaten omo so beku omo because o abemu o tumi obi be kire so o abemu sa edan na we sika siye no e betwaja to na ye twaja to ma ne ahwe nipa o tumi wo Ghana me say Owusu Bempah Ernest sa edan na we si no be the location e picture gina ba kire Ghana for ye betwaja to na ma hwe nipa o tumi wo Ghana na wo de tumi no a stop no san kwasiafo ni nam Ghana na say we mu de nobody is supposed to spare anybody in Ghana. San kofo we they need to be dealt with. Owusu Bempah obi te say eye Samia Wuku sa Boyz ya double. These people are supposed to be dealt with. Send you a nipa bit in Chamba say, hey, I dear way dear, me person me me wako shim. A bit more or see a chium. Ya chium to the point of Omadaka the best of Crampon Omunkum. This is the National Deputy Communication Director of the NPP. Otina Radio to catch the constituency or to me. No, a gangster. Oh, gangster, what phone say? You bet you was a gangster and secretary. Owusu Bempah, me say Ghana for bet you was a gangster on secretary. Na akata nkasa, akata ni o ya akata ni onsuro huhuro. Owusu Bempah, me say you bet you was a gangster papa on secretary, on secretary. And I cut up a baby and so who ye be me a jacket to a wiem. When I want to me, the mat to me na phone. Would you need idea? Me say, bre near Swejo Mahama in. Me catch him say on the 7th of January, yes, Swejo Mahama in Mranye Juma for 24 hours. Yeah, the Swejo Mahama and Sem na oswe na kikidingidi ni ye. Sa 24 hours no, e to me nye Juma wa Ghana. Ni yabɛhwɛ bebi akotere gangster bɛkɔ akɔhyɛ yɛbɛhwɛ bebi a gangster bɛkɔ akɔda na adwo no me say gangster and sekotere yɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ gangster on sekotere ɛna akata bia ni wɔ osuro huhuro wo Owusu Bempah wo na ɔtena TV so mmerɛ bi tena Facebook a sɛ you smoke me out wallahi you smoke me Kevin Taylor out ɛbɔ akyerɛ me remfi yɛ ma me kyerɛ
na betina radio so ana be you program no na cancel ma okam na when you swat their foolish boy like you oh sorry judges o ma bomb
don't waste your money, don't waste your ticket member. I swear to God Owusu Bempah e ma Ghana nya wo da biem ebe you say sene Ghana sai kro Ghana no me ekọ me ma woni nji Ghana biem. Don't waste your ticket. Don't waste going to take a visa. Don't do anything. Stay. I am bringing the fight to you. Oh yeah, Bema. That's why I keep telling people, say, me your time for Obia. I have time for everyone. Where your 2020 now can some way. And I kept it in the archives. I did not respond to it. I knew what I was doing. I will bring the fight to you. Expect me very soon. Me this how done me to na me twa tu ma na ma hwe de o ye bema de o si o wo tu mi o ye bema no wache me twa ja tu Ernest Owusu Bempah me eko me say me ba sa edan na wudi sika uwie sika sie no twa ja tu mema wa abu nkotodwe on camera and beg me yeah it's wrong man how won so about America who is sika who is energy I'll bring it to you. Share. Osako tina net 2.
So better so as offer so dey e so. Na branch no dey. Ni modus operandi nti wo mo na Kwame Kumchacha kese frame me busa me about this particular issue. And I check him and say look. This guy, Kevin Taylor. President Mahama me sponsor no wa twesika to wa so media. Sa branch ni na social media. No ni attempt.
Why?
It's a new propaganda phenomenon. Make one say.
Really?
Yes. It's a branch emerged from nowhere. No Ghana High Commission. Oh no, kwa no masuma no kuchucha picture. Or profiling no say MPP ni. So MPP ni. And a card no I've checked with the Boise constituency in Ashanti Radio or the card be by a fraudulent impersonation oil.
That's serious. That's a crime.
Mako Kumasi Akobuza and the Owusu Abusa Boise constituency baby free no baby anema papa. He has never been a member of the new party.
But with display card no.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's a serial numbers they've checked. That is an impersonation. And no media to home they call US ambassador home. I say they are quite no. Then your ma why ye to say a choir yetimi carry $20,000 musumi bia. Edifa abrantie bia oben president my friend Okoro.
Hey,
Okoro no na this sika no come Kevin Taylor.
Kofi.
Yes, I'm telling you why. Me tia no make your time near this scanner command.
Okoro is a card dealer,
right? They say me dey nim an say e feel for bi Okoro. Abrantie no na this sika no e no dia command. Cash na waje no abetre TV so na camera sisi so na or cancel hunu eche Ghana for. Now, the modus operandi says so ma plant informants various agencies, government agencies. It is a document way and ye de bra wa mo assign so na archives are na omunya no ma take no ma tuesika stand up with the conditi sa anyoma no omu wi no ma email no dia come Kevin Taylor na che say obetransia. Yes, I have this document. Yes, I have the I will strip him naked. Oh, I will strip him naked. The eba no nim the eba. Onim the eba kwan fa so the free. Unu so ko Ghana Institute of Journalism.
Yeah, I know.
He went to Ghana Institute of Journalism. O tiemia, o tienie. What you say? Me can start it, but me so me the obedi matem.
Owusu, Mate say yeso bezo dwane ko UK. I catch my people at the airport. You will not leave Ghana. Yeah, by mistake we see America. Ebefono. Stay there. I am coming. I am bringing the fight to you. In some kind you prove it on live TV. But see, in some kind you camera so prove actually we are saying. Don't try leaving for London. Don't ever try that thing. I had the obakwa mechwashe boom. Stay there. Me echo. I am coming. See you in Ghana. Me I share the obeko krodim. I have time for everybody. And I'm just will become as on social media. Now I can some only factor. Now must get dinner chat war. Because with me, what I don't have, I don't talk about it. On one kasano, or so documents be our ministries, no much picture come Kevin. That means the documents are credible and I'm a boy. So it means still whatever I put on my show, they are credible facts. Now, so the all kind of cry no cry. I will come to that Ghana there. When you know me, because you see me, my street in this watch. What makes you powerful on the street is what you have. On the street, no. The amount you're powerful and yet the screaming, and the respect and what you have. And the street knows. I respect the street. Mama Ghana ye ketwama. Yeah. Me say, omo ubo mu diwo videos no ebi omo de they don't care. Na me call I care papa. Thank you very much. You are not going to step out of Ghana. And we will do this. There's another. Men can be anytime who send for can who send question for social media. Can we tell her this? Can we tell her that? We say me. So okay, say be na man respond to her. Na me will be. Na more plan be mau. The day I'll respond to you, that will be the end of you. So I'll come ask them because me metina had that enkel be accept without showing fact. I couldn't tell me responding to the person. The reason why I am criticizing the panel and I'm being at them. Intimacy study me need anything. I don't talk about anybody. It is all social media now with TV so now come ask them. Now in the other who come ask them now me responding. Remember say and I can say me I am not ready. When I'm ready, you are done. And there are a few people I'll be ready for you very soon. And you people know yourselves. Some of you don't deserve my attention on my platform because it's too big. But some of you people, you know yourselves. Mr. Ikea, Mama me ebe panentuma apanichon. Mama amenom ome pa montuma apanichon. Now, Mama Chow Adiruha. No, we need to be asking the NPP. Yeah, we say NPP for say. Omo results omo collate and way. Omo collation omo yen where because I want to be and quality results are. Why do you want us to have an argument? And this NDC communicator be and I say NDC NPP atna TV so on the NPP ni argue on something because the person does not even have results or the show. So why do you even give that person a room? Why do you even go to Parliament and say let me talk to this person? The party important to me and put it together just numbers. From time I talk about December 7th, ever seen there, NPP ma one figure say, when you calculate ye, when you kebumu, when you say, when you nyaye, because they did not collate any results. Because a NC and I was say the results in my EC, na EC the Ghana for 50.9. eno na kusibu ati begina TV so ene na asore dem ka kire mu se onyame yi a kire no kwase asa no kusibu ati nkromfo kwase ampanyi sa no obegina Ghana dada Ghana for in the name of religion se onyankopon bi yi a kire no yesi onyankopon oye kwase a yesi onyame oye kwase a na wo kwase ampanyi sa no we yi eye na ni timu asem a kire wo yesi onyame oye kwase a se wo eye kusibu ati obeyi na nesuma asem a kire wo kwase ati se wo. And this is what they have been doing. Now, Mr. P. It's simple. NPP for my press conference by 10. Ebe sinde, omuntumi nka omu number omunya kireo. Ebe sinde, omuntumi kireo college. Even constituency omuntumi kireo. They have not been able to come out and say 4 constituencies, a coalition, omuntumi nka bibi nche, they be omu press conference. Every day, omu press conference is about what? It's about nothing. What's the press conference about? Nothing. Because omu say Ghana for be a Jimmy. Now, let me show you. One more day way. After marking and the already assembly or parliament. And as some raising in the say, don't go for an outsider if you don't retain Bagbin as speaker. As we speak, NPP micro minority no parliament no they are more concerned about who will be the speaker of the 9th parliament instead of these fools sitting back to reflect on the way they deceived Ghanaians, the lies they told Ghanaians, the confidence Ghanaians don't have in them. No, they don't think about Omo base. No, they don't think about Omo supporters. No, they don't think about the millions of people they have deceived. No, they are thinking about the NDC, the next move of the NDC. The last time it is a miracle, I used to see TV so catch Ghana for say, the government did not have money to pay NAPCO. So you people knew the government did not have money to pay NAPCO, but you never admitted, say you were not going to pay the guys because there was no money. They were still standing on stage telling us to say they have paid NAPCO. This is the kind of political party and more than anymore. But when me spokesperson during the campaign, after election, you know, they knew say the government did not have money to pay NAPCO for. Now, if you knew the government did not have money to pay the NAPCO beneficiaries, why didn't you people tell Ghanaians the truth? So, our catcher say, Jimmy. So, they were lying to Ghanaians, say, NAPCO people are being paid and are going to be paid. Now, somebody extra to me. Now, this guy, after your marking, open the most violent politician in Ghana, or the etuo, etata nipa ebotuo, nipa odi ewo Ghana politics in power. It's after your marking. When you go to Sani constituency war, that is what he does. And every day I say on this platform, it's about time governments stop MPs from building police stations and building institutions and handing over to government. No. And what that he does is to say, wakosi police station be, and now we determine the kind of police commander ohia. And see what happens during elections, you know. Na sa commander no mo sa police station na osi ye no, they are the ones who suppress NDC for no constituency war, all because kwasia we ko wie sika be si police station ama police for